everybody, Marco Carbajo here from businesscreditbuilders.org. Today we're going to talk about how to get business credit cards with bad personal credit. So if you have a challenge of getting approvals for unsecured business credit cards, whether you're a startup or existing business and you're not sure what to do, how do you start building up your business credit? How can you get a business credit card if you have that bad personal credit? This is the video for you. We're going to share with you 2 easy approval cards that you can get regardless of your personal credit. So with bad personal credit, as you know, especially if you're in the startup phase, your business doesn't have a track record, doesn't have any revenues, that could be a big challenge for you. And we talked about many videos about getting vendor credit, but there's also options for you to get a business credit card, because as you know, with vendor credit, you're limited to use that credit at that particular company. With the business credit card, you can use that for anything. You could use it for, filling up your car with gasoline. You can go into a business lunch with a client. You can use it for paying for that meal, etc. So you want that flexibility, and that's why a business credit card is great. We're going to share with you in this video 2 ways for you to get business credit cards that will report to the business credit reporting agencies. So not only will you have access to a business credit card, but you'll also build up your company's credit worthiness. So these particular cards that we're going to share with you, these 2, are designed to help give you, a business owner, the chance to and the opportunity to build business credit regardless of what your personal credit looks like, which is great. And this is not going to look at your revenues or anything like that. This is ideal if you're worried about having bad personal credit, or let's say you don't even want them to check your personal credit. This is an option for you. We're going to share with you 2 of them. Now, these particular cards, they're designed to help you build your credit because they report to the business credit reporting agencies. One of the cards we're going to share with you reports to Experian and the Small Business Financial Exchange, and the other one reports to Dun & Bradstreet. So that's really exciting because this helps you build business credit with those bureaus. As you know, SBFE is not a business credit bureau, that's a data warehouse, but the information they collect, the business credit agencies retrieve that data from them because they're certified vendors with SBFE, which is Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Commercial, and Equifax Small Business. So this is going to help put your business on the path to start establishing its own credit worthiness. So if you're a startup and you have no credit file for the company, and let's say you have bad personal credit, this is going to help you while you're working on building up your personal credit, repairing your personal credit. You also want to focus on building up the credit worthiness of your company. So right now, let's talk about a clean slate. Your company's brand new, or your company has no credit file. This is an easiest way for you to get your foot in the door with a credit card issuer, okay? And actually more than one credit card issuer. Also, this will help, I'm going to share with you, by using this strategy, it'll help turn your business expenses into business credit building assets. Because you may be using a certain personal credit card right now for some of your expenses. You may be using a business debit card, like from your bank account that your financial institution provides. But those particular things do not build up your business credit. So I'm going to share with you how to change that behavior pattern so it benefits you as a business. Okay, so the first one we want to talk about, this is a card we talked about several weeks back, actually several months ago, excuse me. They were in the pre-launch phase, so you had to get on a waiting list. But now it's live. It's a secured business credit card. They have no personal credit check for you, and this is a great card for you to get for your company to start building up business credit. You go to securedbusinesscredit.org. Now, you make sure you put in the HTTP because this is going to take you to a secured page. Okay, so this is just a domain we set up for you to take you exactly to the application page for this particular card issuer. Now, this is a secured business credit card. Now, what is a secured business credit card? That means you're putting a deposit down that they hold on to as collateral, and then they issue you a credit limit equal to that security deposit. So the minimum security deposit for this is $500, and I'll bring up that website in a second. Okay, so you can start with a $500 deposit. You have a $500 credit limit. Now, the advantage of that is it operates like a credit card. You have a $500 credit limit. You make a purchase and you have to pay your card off in 30 days. Okay, there's no annual fees for this card. There's no card fees that you're going to incur because you're paying your balance in full at the end of the month. So it's not a recurring balance you can have, but it is a credit limit that you have that you can use for expenses that builds your business credit. They don't run your personal credit check to get approved for this. So like I said, regardless of what you have on your personal credit, where your credit score is at, it's not affected. There's no hard inquiry on there. There's no personal guarantee. So there's no recourse on this card as well. What does that no PG mean? That means if, let's say for some crazy reason you charge $500 on your card and you don't pay it back. Well, that's why you have a security deposit, and they use that security deposit to cover any costs that you may, let's say, default on if you use this card maximum and you don't pay it back. But there's no recourse to you as a business owner individually, okay? So that's what the no PG means. Now, you can use your card up here all the way up to an unsecured card, because Tillful will eventually come out with an unsecured business credit card, which is really, really exciting. But right now, they only offer a secured card, but this is establishing a relationship with this particular card issuer. This reports to Experian Business. So as a business owner, if you have a non-existent Experian Business credit report, this will create a credit file for you, because they share this data, your application information, your company information, to Experian Commercial. That creates a credit file for you if you're not listed with them already. If you do have a credit file with Experian Commercial, then this is going to be another positive trade line reporting on your Experian Commercial report. So that's what's really exciting about this particular secured business credit card. Now, what are the requirements? You do need to have an employer identification number. That's number one. You have to have a business bank account, so make sure you have that set up before you apply for this. You want to have at least 3 months in business. So yes, you could be a startup, but you have to be at least 3 months in startup. Restricted industries, you can't open this particular card. They won't approve you if you're in casinos, adult, payday loan type company, etc. So those are the restricted industry. The minimum security deposit they have is $500, but let's say you want a higher credit limit. You could put a higher deposit down. You could put $750, you could put $1,000, $2,500, even higher than that. So you're basically setting the credit limit for this particular business credit card with your security deposit. Okay, so some of the key points to remember with this particular card is this: you can make purchases using the virtual card or the physical card. So they send you out a physical card, but they also give you the functionality to create virtual cards. Okay, so that's really nice to have if you're like using your purchases online and you don't want to use your actual main account card number. You could create a virtual card. Create an unlimited number of virtual cards at no cost. You have a monthly option compared to daily or weekly. Some charge cards or credit cards out there that are coming from the fintech space may require you to pay back weekly or even daily. This is monthly, which is really nice for you. Allows you to conserve your cash till the end of the month to pay your bill. There's no minimum bank balance required for approval for this card. So they're not going to look at your bank account and say, oh, you don't have enough activity in your bank account. You're basically getting this card because you're putting a security deposit down. There's exclusive discounts on popular small business services. Now, this is really simple to apply. You just go to securedbusinesscredit.org. That's securedbusinesscredit.org. And this is the website it's going to bring you to. Really simple, just apply online. And this kind of gives you some of the highlights that I was telling you about on the actual presentation. So this is one option for you to get a secured business credit card regardless of your personal credit. Okay, so let's talk about the second one. This is a little different. Okay, now for those of you who are thinking, if you're like $500 I have to put down, I don't have $500, so I can't get this card. So what are your options? There's another solution for you to get a business credit card without putting a security deposit. Okay, and that is your prepaid business credit card. This is issued to you by Divvy. Okay, it's a new program that they had not too long ago. It's called creditbuilderapply.com. That's where you go. Again, make sure you put HTTP because that's just taking you to the application page, a secure page where you can apply. Now, this is for businesses who cannot get approved for their unsecured version of the Divvy card. Okay, so now as you know, we've done videos on the unsecured version that Divvy offers, and that requires you to have a really strong DMB report. You got to have some good revenues, etc. They look at your bank history, etc. But this is a great option for you if you have bad personal credit and you're trying to get a credit card for your business so you can use it for day-to-day expenses, etc. This is prepaid. So what does a prepaid business credit card mean? That means that this credit card is you're basically loading the funds onto the card. Okay, so there's no credit limit. Your credit limit is the amount of money you load on the card. So whatever you load on your card, that's what is available for you to use this credit card with. So let's say you say, I have $250, I'm going to load $250 on this card. So you load up $250 on this card. Now you have $250 available to spend on this card. Once you use that $250, there's nothing available on this card. You got to load money back up again. But the beauty of this is that activity that you're doing, you're loading the money, but using the card reports to the Business Credit Bureau. So this helps your company build business credit. That's the difference between using a, you may say, well, this is the same thing as using a debit card. Yes, your bank issues you a debit card, which retrieves the money right out of your checking account. So if you use your debit card, it gets taken out right out of your checking account. But that activity does not report to the business credit bureaus. That activity is, yes, with your banking institution. They see those transactions, but that in no way shows up on your credit report. So other lenders, other banks, other suppliers, vendors, when they pull your business credit report, they don't see any of that activity. But now they can, if you use this type of prepaid business credit card, or even if you use the secured business credit card and put those expenses on that card. Okay, so that's why this prepaid card is another great option for you. If, let's say, you don't have $500 and you just want to load it for really small expenses, then this is another solution for you to get a business credit card, regardless of if you have bad personal credit. So you do get credit cards rewards with this. I love that Divvy got so creative with this option by coming out with a prepaid option, because it levels the playing field for everyone. Okay, so if you're just repairing your personal credit and you want to get some business credit cards and you can't wait to be able to get a couple of mainstream business credit cards for your company, and you don't, let's say, have enough revenues yet for some of the other fintech cards out there, then there's a solution for you, which we're presenting to you right now in this video. And of course, you could check your business expenses. You can work your prepaid card. When you get a prepaid card, you can work your way up to an unsecured card with Divvy, because Divvy does have an unsecured business credit card option. Okay, but this is a great option for you if you have bad personal credit. And this reports to Dun & Bradstreet and the Small Business Financial Exchange monthly. Okay, so again, think about it. Just share with you 2 easy approval business credit cards. They're literally guaranteed approval. Okay, and that'll help you build business credit regardless if you have bad personal credit. Of course, same thing with Divvy with this prepaid business credit card. You get virtual card capabilities. You also get a physical card that you can use. So you're going to go to creditbuilderapply.com, and that's going to take you to this website right here. Very, very simple. You just click Start Application, and that's as simple as it gets. You put in your information there, and then you're going to have the function to load the card with the funds. And remember, whatever amount of money you load on the card, that's what's available to use. When you use that Divvy card, the funds are taken out right away, instantly. Okay, so it operates just like a debit card. Okay, so there's no minimum monthly payments or anything like that, because this is literally a cash credit card. Okay, so whatever funds you put on it, it's used instantly. Okay, so this is 2 options for you, and I want to share with you really quick to apply, Credit Builder Apply, and that's it. It's very simple. But I want to kind of emphasize and ask you a really important question, is how are you paying for your business expenses and business purchases right now for your company? If you're a startup, you have expenses, right? So how are you paying those expenses? Are you writing a check? Are you using cash? Are you using a personal credit card? Are you using a business debit card? You know, so these are just some of the common things that business owners use to pay for business expenses, or if they have to make a purchase, they use these particular options, okay? But none of these options help you build up your company's credit worthiness. And you're probably saying, well, why do I need to build up my business credit? Why do I need to have a business credit file? If you don't have a business credit report established with Experian Commercial, Dun & Bradstreet, Small Business Equifax, when you're out there applying for a loan or a line of credit, or you're trying to get credit with a supplier or a vendor, and they want to underwrite your business, they want to see how creditworthy your company is. Okay, how can they if you don't have a credit file for the company? If you don't have a credit file for the company, there's no way for them to assess how your business manages its credit, how your business manages its finances and pays its bills, how much credit does your business have. There's nothing for them to have a financial report of that. Okay, so what do they usually ask you for then? They then ask you for a personal credit check and a personal guarantee, because there's no data for them to look at your business, so they're going to rely on you personally. So if you're tired as an individual, if you're tired of using your personal credit for everything on your business, You're tired of them underwriting simply based on your personal credit. That's why you build business credit. You build a business credit file so then they can pull your business credit report. You can show them your business credit reports so they can assess how creditworthy your company is. And keep in mind, personal credit is a very important thing to have as far as your strength of your personal credit. So don't discount having a strong personal credit file, how it does provide you even more opportunities when you're getting credit for your company, but you have to have both. Strong business credit, strong personal credit. It just helps you in your personal life, also helps you in your business life, okay? The question I want to ask you is, what if all those expenses and purchases you're making right now, if you're using a debit card or cash or using a personal credit card, what if that activity now reported to your business credit report? So I just kind of put together this simple example. Like, this could, hopefully it's not you because you're watching this video, so obviously you're trying to build business credit, which is great. But company A is an example of a business owner who has all these expenses. You have rent, utilities, business phone, etc. And they're using, let's say, an ACH, which are all either checking account for the business. Let's say they're using cash for some of it. They're using a personal credit card. They're using their debit card. And all these activities, like almost $6,000 in monthly expenses, is nowhere to be found in their business credit report. Okay, so none of that activity, all these responsible payments the company's making, is reporting to any business credit bureau. But by simply taking the same expenses, this behavior, and now moving it over to whether it's a prepaid business credit card or secure business credit card or even a business credit card that reports to the business credit reporting agencies, which we've done a ton of videos on those. Now imagine having all that, almost $6,000 in expenses, $6,000 in payments every month reporting on your business credit reports. And now lenders, vendors, card issuers can see all that activity. They can see that your company is paying its expenses, paying its bills on time, managing its credit. Do you understand the difference? That's huge. Okay, so that's where I want you to look at the advantage of getting started right now. So if you don't have any type of business credit card for your company and you're getting started and you have bad personal credit, then consider a secured business credit card. Consider a prepaid. You can even get both of them, so that's 2 trade lines. Okay, so I just hope you find this information really valuable to you, and definitely give us a thumbs up. We really appreciate you watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you're notified every single time we come out with a new video on ways for you to build business credit. If you're looking for more ways, even a step-by-step system, check out our website, businesscreditbuilders.org. We also have done-for-you funding solutions where we actually acquire funding for you and business credit cards for your company, etc. So definitely appreciate you watching this video. We'll talk to you real soon. Make it a great day.